Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to update the nature of cargo under job in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the documentation module. Here, we have to select the All Jobs menu under the documentation module. On this page, we have to select the required date range. And enter the job number. And also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click the submit button. Here we have to click the edit button for the particular job. After clicking that, now the job page will be displayed on the screen. On this job page, we have to click on the custom tab. Then we have to click on the EDI button. On this page, we have to select the nature of cargo. Then we have to click the Save Changes button. This is how to update the nature of cargo under job in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.